Please all participants open our studio and type done within Zoom chat. Okay, thank you. In our previous class, we have done some basic practice how to deal with data set or how to remove missing values. Please all participants launch your ML batch 2 ML2 working directory. Shah Kamal, kindly open your mic. Shah Kamal or Mudassir, please open your mic. Hello.
जी
मुदस्सिर
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम सलाम। अच्छा मुदस्सिर साहब, लास्ट क्लास आपने अटेंड की थी?
जी सर मैंने की थी।
यहाँ पे ना मेरे पास जो इस वक्त शो हो रहा है वो रिग्रेशन का शो हो रहा है, लेकिन मुझे जो याद
ओके।
आ रहा है वो हमने वर्क किया था मिसिंग वैल्यूज पे।
यस सर, बिल्कुल ऐसे किया था, हमने मिसिंग वैल्यू को सिर्फ किया था।
यानी उससे आगे
तो
नहीं गए,
उसकी
हमने स्केलिंग भी नहीं
जी,
की और
जी सर,
डुप्लीकेशन।
आगे कुछ नहीं किया।
ठीक हो
जस्ट
गया।
सिर्फ मिसिंग वैल्यू को हमने ये किया था, यस।
ठीक हो गया,
और
एक्चुअली
उसकी एक
यहाँ पे।
अलग फाइल बनाई थी।
ठीक है, ML2 में मेरे पास ना ये कुछ चीज़ें और शो हो गई हैं जिसकी वजह से मैं थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज हो गया था कि ये हमने कहीं नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे तो नहीं चलेगी। ओके, थैंक यू सर।
ओके।
Please all participant import your dataset. Name practice dataset XLS into R. This dataset have some missing values and have many issues. So before performing any statistical analysis or any other machine learning tool, first we need to manage this file, or first we need to deal with missing values, duplication values, and with scaling issues. So first step, we need to deal with missing values, because when we import our original data, it's showing some missing values like showing NA, all values with all cell with NA is known as missing value. So first we need to deal with missing value. Please all participant import your file and let me know, have you done? I have done this step. All participant please import and type done so that I move to next step. Please reply. Only one participant have done. I need response from all participants so that I can move to next step. Only Mudassir have done. Okay, now I am going to move to next step. First step, we need to deal with missing value. Missing values, we already have performed this task. I have done this topic in detail, but today we just go through. First step, take str, practice data, run, copy str, open ChatGPT, and write a message. I want to find and impute missing values, because we have studied in detail about why we impute, why we delete. So impute is best for our data set. I want to find and impute missing values in R and send message. I want to find and impute missing values in R. Okay, here is the complete script. Copy, open R, and paste and run. Please all participants also run these lines. First, it will find the missing values. So here is the graph for missing values. A red dot showing missing values. Now before imputing and after imputing. No, I have successfully done imputation process. Here is the practice data set imputed. No, there is no any missing value in the data. But here is also some missing values in department. Department have 11 missing values because it is a categorical data. We need to use mod instead of average or other parameters. So I will copy this one, paste, and send. Excellent. That output means your imputation successfully filled all numeric missing values, but 11 rows in the department columns are still missing. Let's handle those now. You have categorical data. So numeric imputation methods like mice with PMM won't apply directly unless we explicitly treat factors. Below are 30 robust way to fix department. You can fix option number 1, fill with unknown, simple and safe method. If you just want to keep the dataset complete without assumptions, fill with most frequent category mode. And third, predict missing department using other variables. You can also predict by applying regression model. So I want to choose second option, fill with most frequent category. Copy. Or I also can predict based on the dataset. So I want to choose second option. No, I have done. No, I need to check again. No, you have checked. You can check. All data is filled. There is no any missing value in our dataset. Now, next step is we need this file separately because when we close our R or we clean screen number 3, our imputed data will be deleted or removed. When we try to perform next analysis, we need to perform all steps from zero, from find missing value and then impute or deal with missing values. So it is best way to save the imputed data into another file. So I say thanks. I want to save imputed data into working directory in Excel file. Perfect. Here is the final clean R code to save your fully imputed dataset as an Excel file. So in this way, you can save your data into another file. After imputing missing values, you can save your data into another Excel sheet, another CSV file, or any other format. Copy, open R, open script page, paste and run. No, come to your working directory folder. Here is the file, imputed practice dataset. No, I want to clean screen number 3. No, instead of using practice dataset, no, I will use, if I want to perform further analysis, next I will use imputed practice dataset. Click import. No, you can check there is no any missing value in the dataset. Please all participants generate this imputed practice dataset after cleaning missing value and then type done within Zoom chat so that I move to next step. Now I am waiting for your reply. If you have done, type done. I have done. I am also sending this file within group so that you can also use this file directly. You can also use this file, imputed practice dataset. If you have not saved or not generated imputed practice dataset into your working directory, you can use file which I have sent in WhatsApp group. Now next step, but we are working on data handling or data management. So we need file practice dataset, imputed practice dataset. We have done one step. Now next step is dealing with duplication values. Duplication values. First we need to find duplicate rows and columns, and then remove duplicate rows or columns. So first step again, take str, imputed practice dataset, because we have done imputed process on this file. So we will perform further analysis on this file. str, copy, again open ChatGPT and write a message. Thanks. Now find duplication values in R and send message. It's showing you excellent. Know that your data set is clean and imputed. Let's find any duplicated values in it. Here is a complete easy to run R script to detect, view, and optionally remove duplicates from your imputed practice dataset. Copy, open R, paste here, and run. Next step is find duplicated rows. It's showing you row number 45, 84, 54, and 71 is duplicated. This data is duplicated. These rows are duplicated in our data set. Then count total number of complete duplicated rows. No, find duplicates based on ID only. These values are duplicate based on ID. Now next step, remove duplicate if needed. Duplicated removed. Now next step, verify result. Again run previous code. It's showing you Your previous value was 105? No, rows are 100 because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 was duplicated. So duplicated rows are deleted now. After removing, now we have 100 rows. So you can check in screen number 3. In our MPT dataset, we have 105 observations. But after removing duplicated row, we have 100 observations. So 5 rows are removed.
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम सलाम।
सर पहले हमने रोज में जो डुप्लीकेट वैल्यू है वो फाइंड करनी है, देन कॉलम्स में, देन उनको डिलीट करना है कोई जो इजाफी हैं, राइट? ऐसे ही है ना?
जी बिल्कुल। अगर आप इकट्ठी कमांड दे देंगे कि इसमें से डुप्लीकेट वैल्यूज फाइंड करें, तो वो आपको थ्रू आउट रोज भी और कॉलम वाइज दोनों फाइंड करके दे देगा।
ओके।
ठीक है, ओके। Now our data is ready to use, but still one more parameter is pending. We also need to save this file into Excel sheet. Thanks. But here is also a script is given. You can then overwrite
अस्सलाम
and
वालेकुम
save the cleaned dataset again. Copy.
सर सॉरी
1 minute, please. Open R, paste and run. It will give me corrected data after removing duplication in Excel sheet. So screen number 4 showing me imputed practice dataset, no duplicate. So it's mean this file imputed practice dataset, there is no any missing value issue and there is no any duplication issue. Okay, yes madam.
सर अस्सलाम वालेकुम
वालेकुम सलाम।
सर यहाँ पर हम ये आई वांट टू फाइंड डुप्लीकेट रोज एंड कॉलम्स, सर ये टेक्स्ट लिखेंगे हम
जी
इन
ये भी लिख सकते हैं। आप ये भी लिख सकते हैं कि डुप्लीकेशन ऑब्जर्वेशंस, ठीक है, डुप्लीकेशन फैक्टर्स, लेकिन बेस्ट वे यही है कि डुप्लीकेट रोज और डुप्लीकेट कॉलम, क्योंकि अगर आप वैल्यूज लिखेंगे ना डुप्लीकेट वैल्यूज, तो
जी
वहाँ पे एक छोटा सा इशू हो सकता है। वो ये है कि मे बी किसी एक कॉलम के अंदर सेम वैल्यूज हों,
जी
मसलन 5.5 5.5 3-4 दफ़ा रिपीट हो रहा हो किसी डाटा में, तो वो हमने डिलीट नहीं करने। हमने डिलीट करने हैं अगर हमारे पास एक सैम्पल डाटा है। इफ वी हैव अ सैम्पल डाटा लाइक imputed this data set,
जी
for example 1 2 3 4 5 6 and again 6. After 6 there was again 6, or we have a data of students. For example, there are names of students in first column like Sadaf, Mudassir, Shah Kamal, Mathlida, and Sadahan, and again Sadaf, again Sadaf. So your name repeated 3 times, but with same data. By chance, by mistake. So you need to remove this data. You can find maybe column also be repeated multiple time. So you need to remove column and row, not values. So when you want to write script from ChatGPT, add clear, I need to find duplicate rows or duplicate column, not values. Value may be same. Other, for example, there is a math score or biology score of 5 students. Maybe first student have 45, second have 41, again 45, 45, 45. So these are not duplication issues. These are
ओके सर
values. When you give a message to ChatGPT, I want to remove duplicate values, then ChatGPT will remove these values.
ओके
They are
सर
not we don't need to remove these values. We need to remove duplicate rows or duplicate columns which are added by mistake. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now, next step is we need to deal with scaling issue. Now we have another file, name imputed practice dataset, clean your previous data, impute practice dataset with no duplicate values. Click and import. This file have no duplication values and have no missing values. We have applied 2 changes. Now next step is dealing with scaling issue. What is mean by scaling issue? Scaling issue mean we have different unit in our data set. str str, your file name is imputed practice dataset with no duplicate value and run. Copy str. Next step, say thanks. No, please check scaling. Is there any need to scale this data? And great, you are being very true. Let's carefully evaluate whether scaling is needed for your dataset or not. Number 1, first understand what scaling does. Scaling, standardization, and normalization is mainly needed when you plan to run distance-based algorithm. You need scaling when you want to perform distance-based algorithm, k-mean, PCA, or hierarchical clustering. Your numeric variables have different range, like age, salary. You want to prevent large-scale variables from dominating smaller one. For example, you can use age in years, salary in PKR or US dollar. So both scales are different. Check variable type in your dataset. From your structure, from your data structures, so you have 3 numeric columns, age, salary, source, and 2 categorical columns, department and gender. Scaling is appropriate only for numeric columns, and especially important if you do PCA clustering regression machine learning. So if you want to do PCA, you need scaling. If you want to do clustering, you need scaling. If you want to do regression, you need scaling. If you want to do simple analysis like mean, median, mode, correlation, ANOVA, so you don't need scaling. Check current numeric range. You can run this and it will show you the range of your data set 20 to 60, age, salary 30,000 to 100,000, and score 50 to 90. Salary has a much larger scale, so scaling would normalize variables influence. Step number 4, apply scaling if needed. If you plan to use the data for modeling RPCA, you need to apply scaling. Summary, where you need scaling in your data set. In your dataset ID variable identifier, scale needed, no needed. Why? Not a measurement. It is a number. Age, numeric data, Scaling required? Yes, because different range. Salary. Numeric? Yes, required. Very large scale. Department? Categorical. Scale no needed. Encoded needed if you used in model. Gender? Categorical. No need. Encode is binary if model. Encode mean give a coding 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. For example, gender male for male type 1 and for female 0 or 2. Score is also numeric. Optional. Moderate range may include. So range in our salary is very large because it starts from 30 to 100,000. So range is very big. Also in age, different range, but in score range is moderate. So it's optional. You can apply scaling or not. Now next step is if you tell me what analysis you plan next. PCA, K-mean, regression, classification, I can confirm whether scaling is essential or optional and give you customized script. For example, I want to perform ANOVA, and I want to perform ANOVA. I think internet is slow. I need to restart. It's showing me perfect. Since you are planning to perform ANOVA, here is how scaling fit in. Key point, you don't need to scale data for ANOVA. So it does not matter, does not important for basic analysis. No, if you write a message, thanks, I want to perform unsupervised machine learning. Excellent choice. Unsupervised machine learning is ideal when you don't have a predefined label and want to explore natural grouping or pattern clustering of employees by age, salary, and score. Let's walk through the complete R pipeline to perform unsupervised machine learning on your dataset. But I need scaling is required for ML or not. My question is scaling is required for ML or not. I think, Ms. Sadaf, you have removed rows which are not duplicated. You need to take str again and perform same step again and write a message. I want to find duplicate values and remove duplicate values. But it again slow down. Okay, but we have find our question, find our answer. We need only scaling for these analysis like PCA, k-mean, regression, classification, and for all type of machine learning task. Now we want to perform next step, scaling. I'm going to open our stop. This no, I will take str again, copy, paste, and write a message. I want to scale this data in R and send message. Okay, okay, Madam Sadaf, just give me 2 or 3 minutes, then I will allow you for screen sharing. But it's not, again, not working on my sites. Maybe internet speed is slow or something other else. Okay, Madam Sadaf, please share your screen. Maybe it take too much time. I have allowed your screen. Please share.
सर अलो करें मुझे प्लीज कि सर मैं स्क्रीन
मैंने
शेयर।
अलो किया हुआ है, आप शेयर करें।